There, I guess that about does it. There, it's done. Oh, I did such a good job, I can't stand it. Wow, that's really great. I gotta tell somebody. Luis! Luis,
Hey,
Luis,
Pájaro, how you
Luis, am I
doing?
glad you're here.
What's the matter?
Look what I did.
What'd you do?
I built this.
Oh, this little house?
This birdhouse.
Wow, you built it all by yourself?
Sure, my little cousin Herman is gonna come visit, and so I built this for him to stay in.
That is absolutely fantastic, Big
Yeah.
Bird. Hey, I didn't know you had a little cousin.
Oh, little cousin Herman. He is so cute. Well, at least he was last I saw him a long time ago. And he's going to like this, don't you
He
think?
sure is, man. This is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
You made this all by yourself.
Yes, and you helped. You know how?
Oh.
You said to me one day, if you're going to make something, plan ahead. So I planned, what do I need to build a birdhouse? Well, I needed a saw and some wood and some brains. And there
Big
it is.
Bird. Hey, I am really impressed. I am really proud of
Thank
you.
you.
You
Isn't that
remembered.
good?
You
Yep.
planned ahead. You got everything together
Yep.
before you started. Then you went ahead and did it, man.
Oh, Luis, look what you just did. I don't believe that. Oh, boy.
Thank you, Heather. Hey, Big Bird,
Well,
you know, your planning was fine and everything, but I think you forgot one thing.
what? You just smashed it.
I know, but what do you use to keep the wood together?
I didn't use anything.
I
Maybe I
know
should-
you didn't. That's why it fell apart.
What do you use?
Yeah, what do you use to keep this wood together so it doesn't fall apart?
Well, nails?
Nails, right. See?
Well, I didn't have any
Listen, why
here.
don't you go to the shop and get some nails, and we'll wait for you here, and we'll fix it, okay?
Oh, boy, okay.
All right.
You're a great friend. I'll
Órale,
do it.
pues. Wow, see, you didn't use any nails.